All right, guys, it is that time. Time to put the M4 full exhaust onto the GSXR 600. I've already got the header assembly put together. We have got the O2 bung in the mid-pipe, got all of our fasteners together, and of course, we got ourselves one motorcycle to work on. So, M4 design utilizes a spigot style assembly, so that just means that this is going to fit down into the primary. And then for gaskets, you do not use a standard factory style gasket, you use one of these O-ring style gaskets, and that's machined into the spigot right there. So we're going to get this installed on the bike, kind of chronicle a little bit for you guys the installation of this exhaust. Not really an install video, but you're just hanging out with me in the shop, so let's get this knocked out. All right, guys, trucking along here, getting our spigots installed onto the cylinder head. Let me show you something on these before I finish this part of it up. Notice that there's a stepped part on your spigot itself. The reason for that is the outer portion of that is going to sit like that on your flange, and that allows for the gap. See that gap between the flange and the spigot for the pipe to actually slide in there. All right, moving on. All right, guys, so we've got all the spigots on here and looks like everybody is centered. Looking all ready for the trickiest part of this, which is going to be to install the header with the radiator still in there. I think we're going to be able to do it on this one. Let's give it a go. All right, guys, and just like that, through the power of pause editing, we have ourselves one header installed. And I gotta say, didn't really take too much to get this bad boy in here. Okay amount of clearance. Let me get you guys some more shots. Of course, we're not done installing this thing yet, but just giving y'all a quick heads up of the M4 header. What's funny as hell, okay, so check this out. I was underneath here wrestling around with it, and it just goes pop, and that was it. It popped right into place. So, pretty cool, but the M4 header is installed on the GSXR 600. Okay, next up, mid-pipe. Oh yeah, one thing I did want to illustrate for you guys with the M4 system, there's your filter socket. You can pop that thing on there super easy. Pops on, pops off. So very easy to get that onto your oil filter, unlike a certain Yoshimura kit that I could maybe, anyway, back to it. All right, guys, and just like that, we've got the mid-pipe hooked up. Not totally tight yet. We just got to loosely install, but that's just a couple of twists of the ratchet away from being tightened down. Giving you guys some ideas for clearance. It's looking nice underneath here. But we're going to go ahead and get it tightened down, adjusted, get the radiator button back up. We're going to fire this thing off. Yeah. All right, guys, so quick update. We've got the radiator installed. We've got our fan installed, and yes, it is plugged in. Don't forget to plug in your fan. I know you can be in a bit of a hurry, but just knock that out. Make sure you don't forget to finish tightening down your anchor bolts for that radiator. But here she is coming along nicely. About to put the can on, get her fired up for the first time. All right, there you go, moving forward. Getting y'all a little bit better shot of how everything came together. Looks like it all is looking as it should. Hopefully this gives you a good idea for that clearance underneath here. All right, now we're moving on. All right, guys, trucking right along here, just getting everything mocked up, getting the exhaust all squared away. A little bit of adjustments that you're gonna have to do. Every bike's a little bit different, so just know that coming into this, sometimes you've gotta shim some things up, you gotta move some things around, but yeah, kicking along just fine. Just about to fire up, getting her all wiped down with WD-40, making sure there aren't any fingerprints or anything like that that can bake into this thing. All right, guys, time to fire up, get her to temp. Oh, there we go. We go through it, check it for leaks. Doesn't look like we're gonna have any problems with this one though. so good. Alright guys, so there you go. We're going to let her idle, get everything buttoned back up, and she'll be good to go. Thanks for stopping by. I hope to catch you on the next one.